Hi, this is Kai from Nova, and in this video, I will guide you through Liqwid Finance, the innovative DeFi platform where you can lend, borrow, and manage your crypto assets on Cardano. You can support us by subscribing to our YouTube channel, leaving a comment, or delegating to our stake pool. This helps us reach more people and grow Cardano. First, we must understand Lombard loans to understand how the Liqwid protocol works. Lombard loans allow borrowers to secure funds by collateralizing assets. As long as the loan is repaid and collateral value conditions are met, borrowers can quickly access capital without selling their assets. Liqwid Finance is a cutting-edge, non-custodial liquidity protocol for lending and borrowing Cardano native assets. Utilizing decentralized, audited smart contracts, Liqwid empowers users to deposit liquidity, earn interest, and take out over-collateralized loans. Its utilization of Cardano's Plutus smart contract language and eUTxO model ensures a secure, permissionless experience. To use the app, you first need to connect your wallet. If you're unsure how to do that, check out our dApp connector video in the info card. Navigating Liqwid's user interface is a journey through simplicity and functionality. The dashboard, neatly laid out, gives users a comprehensive view of the total value locked, lending and borrowing options. The APY earned by suppliers varies across different Liqwid markets. There is an extra benefit of supplying ADA to Liqwid. You receive staking rewards in addition to your liquidity provider rewards. The interest rates in Liqwid are based on established macroeconomic models, which suggest that interest rates should increase as demand for an asset rises. In other words, when the demand to borrow an asset is low, interest rates should be low, and vice versa. Visit the detailed information material provided in the description below to understand more about APY and how these are determined. So, let's try it out. To borrow an asset using the Liqwid protocol, you must first provide collateral. Navigate to Assets to Supply, select an asset, and click Supply. Enter the desired amount or select Max to supply your entire wallet balance of that asset. Review the transaction, click Supply, and approve the transaction in your wallet. This can take a few moments. In exchange for your supplied assets, the protocol will send you a receipt in the form of Q tokens, like 𝗄𝗄𝗄𝗏 or 𝗄𝗏USD. The exchange rate may vary from token to token. You can check your transaction on cie_Explorer and view your minted 𝗄𝗄𝗄𝗏 in the wallet. I'm now going to repeat the process with several other tokens to demonstrate to you the benefits of Cardano's eUTxO model later in this video. Your supplied assets and current APY are now visible under Your Supplies. Borrowing assets from Liqwid is as simple as lending them, with a few caveats to bear in mind. After supplying one of the assets authorized for use as collateral by community governance, users of the Liqwid protocol are able to borrow assets. The interest rate on the over-collateralized loans can change depending on how many borrowers are looking to take out loans at the moment. Locate the asset you wish to borrow, and then click the Borrow button. Just like with a loan, you can indicate the amount you want to borrow and alter your collateral in collateral distribution. Now comes the best part and a benefit of Cardano's eUTxO model. You can add multiple assets as collateral in only one transaction. This is not possible using account-based blockchains like Ethereum, where you will have to perform a transaction each time you add or modify one asset as collateral. A loan's health factor is a number that indicates how close the loan is to liquidation. It is the loan-to-value ratio that determines the health factor. The loan can be liquidated if the health factor is less than 1. A higher health factor is preferable. Review your loan details, including interest rate and health factor, then click Borrow and approve the transaction. Once you successfully complete a borrow, your wallet balance will be reduced by the amount of Q tokens collateral you have locked to open the loan. You can view this amount in the total locked collateral column of the Your Supplies section. Furthermore, the wallet balance of the token that you have borrowed will increase. All of your assets, including the Q tokens you have locked as collateral, are earning interest. A loan's health factor can go up or down over time without the borrower doing anything, because the value of the collateralized asset and the loaned asset change separately. You have two options to keep the loan from going into liquidation. Either modify the loan to increase the collateral, or repay some of the assets that were borrowed. As you can see, the health factor has increased. Now I will repay the full loan including interest to show you the process. After you have repaid all your loans, you can withdraw your supplied assets by returning all the Q tokens. Beyond the ability to lend and borrow assets, Liqwid provides its customers with a variety of other services. Learn how Liqwid's DAO called Agora works by exploring the benefits of decentralized decision-making. The future of Liqwid is being shaped by the proposals and votes of all LQ token holders on important protocol issues. It is challenging for everyone to participate in this legislative process due to the complexity of some proposals. Therefore, Liqwid devised the ability to assign your vote to a more capable party, such as a SPO or DREP if you so desire. Each vote must have its own stake, and you must stake your LQ for the duration of the proposal in order for it to be counted. Staking LQ tokens has multiple benefits, including governance rights, stability of the protocol, and financial rewards. This game requires strategic patience because the longer you stake, the larger your potential returns. To make a new stake, choose the desired number of LQ tokens and sign the transaction in the staking area of the site. You can have multiple stakes and manage them here. Having an official Liqwid Aquafarmer NFT in your wallet is required if you wish to increase your LQ payouts from staking. These are only available on secondary marketplaces such as JPAC Store. Although you are allowed to possess numerous Aquafarmer NFTs, only the rarest one will grant you bonus staking benefits. Liqwid helps promote openness by providing its users with all the relevant and essential information they require to make educated choices. A user can view the complete history of all protocol-issued loans in the loans area, and they can also liquidate them if their health factor falls below 1. In the Liquidations section, you can find these liquidations along with other details like the date, the before and after loan to value, and the address of the liquidator. The Liqwid protocol provides an abundance of information on every available asset under the Market State section, where you can get further details about the supply, the borrow, and the total liquidity. An asset's present and future utilization rates can be better understood with the use of a graph. It refers to the extent to which assets within a liquidity protocol are being utilized or employed in lending and borrowing activities. Low utilization suggests there is a surplus of available assets, while high utilization indicates that a significant portion of the available assets are being borrowed. It is possible to go even farther into the protocol-provided data by visiting their analytics. Here you will see a lot of data from the last months, like total revenue generated, the market utilization of each asset, total liquidations, created loans volume repaid, and loans interest paid. Liqwid provides specialized documentation and a user guide in case you still have queries or struggle to navigate the software and comprehend the financial jargon. And that's it for the video. If you have any questions, just let us know in the comments section. And one last thing, we would really appreciate your vote for our pool in the upcoming Liqwid ADA market delegation. If this video has added value to you and you would like to stake too, feel free to come on board. Follow us on X for the latest news about Cardano and our pool. If you have any questions, feel free to join our Discord server.